Okay, everyone, welcome to day 21 of my daily YouTube challenge journey, and today I'll be revising the old questions again. I have not been streaming for the past 5 days or a week. It was because I was just busy in Thailand, but you know, I'll be consistent again. So let me look at how many days did I. Yeah, almost a week. There's a gap. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't really good problem for a week. Except that about this whatnot. Okay, good news. My mic is working, but bad news. It's not working well. I'll just fix a couple of things. Yeah, that should fix everything. Okay, so let me just reload the video. Okay, so let's reload it. It's not working well. I'll just fix a couple of things. Yeah, that should fix everything. Alright, let's reload the video. Okay, so let's reload it. Alright, I haven't streamed in like a week, so there's a little bit of a hiccup here and there, but besides that everything's fine. The main problem is the audio. I don't have a mic. I might have to buy a mic sometime soon because my audio is just really terrible. Yeah, so let's start with leetcode. leetcode.io/roadmap. Stop. No. Stop. Watch. Okay. Whoa, they changed the UI for the stopwatch on the Google. Yeah, that it's better than before. Alright, so let's just reload this. I've revised a lot of the problems from here, but let's do a speed run for all the easy problems. I should be able to do all of them. So given an integer array nums, let's do it in Java. Make it a bit challenging. I will pop the stopwatch at some other place. Now I've got this tab with Java problem condition here. If any value appears twice in an array, so what I can do here is Java set. Let's so how to make a set in Java? Java.util. Oh, it's Java has map. Oh no, it's called set in Java as well, right? Why is my mouse not working? Yeah. Okay. Set new hash set. It is which. All right. Why is my laptop so slow? I just changed the powers. I changed the power mode from power saver to balance, so that might fix the issue that I was having with my web page loading. It's slow. Right. Yeah, that fixes it. So Java util has set string public class string asset string equals new hash set. Okay, so that's how you do it. So okay, for some reason the top why's my laptop running so slow? 48 OBS. Okay, there isn't anything that I can see at the moment that's slowing down my laptop, except for this absurdly high RAM users and like 36% CPU. What's using off the CPU memory? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe just close 2 of these tabs. Things should be like smooth. Like you guys can't really see what like my laptop freezing and stuff, but it's really slow on my end. Alright, now where was I? So this is how you create a hash set. So set and set set extend sorted set. I don't know the reason behind my top. My laptop's slowing down a lot. Maybe it's because I played a lot of Valorant today and it might have just done something. My fans were running a lot when I was playing Valorant, so that might have caused my laptop to slow down. So what is a hash set in Java? Store multiple values using a hash table. So what's the difference between a set and a set? Hash set. Okay, let's open ChatGPT. So what's the difference between a hash set and a set in Java? Hash set is a specific implementation of the set interface. There is a breakdown of the set. The set interface is a part of Java collection framework. It defines a basic it defines the basic contract for a collection that does not allow duplicate element. Alright. And then that says provide constant time. Wait, let's ChatGPT update. I didn't used to like give a table or something. Type interface asset concrete class implemented. Okay, asset is specific type of asset that uses hash table for storage. Yes. So syntax for both. The user set interface, you typically declare a variable of type set and initialize it when when you declare a variable of type set and initialize it with an instance of class that implements set interface such as. So set is basically a hash set. So set is basically a hash set. Okay, using hash set. Interface is a more detailed. What is it said is an interface in Java collection framework. Purpose it defines a collection that is not allowed to it provides the blueprint for a contract what a set should do but not how it should do it. This doesn't specify the underlying data structure. Example data as I said can be implemented by multiple classes, each with its own way of managing elements and ensuring uniqueness. Okay, so instead of using set hash set and set equals new hash set and okay. Add image to asset. Asset dot add asset dot add object element set dot add. Is we for how do I add elements to a asset? To add elements to a asset in Java use dot add asset dot element okay. What will so it will not add it. Yes. Alright, so this will return false. Alright. For each in dot set dot add each if set dot add equals first then 10 was else return true. Okay. This should does not work. Each for each loop in Java. For loop hash set add list array each and so yeah. Oh now forgot to say, hold on. Now it should work. I forgot the data type for each. I said int. What? Require reference. Oh, INDE integer. For some reason acid is not like that because upper true where it should be false and then false. False. Now it might work. Yeah. Runtime of 0. Peace 99.7 milliseconds was faster than has set okay, this guy did like if bucket that contains num, so bucket dot contains even though it takes only of one. It's like adding and stuff. I'm also adding that. Adding, yeah. Doesn't matter. Well, that a lot of things. Simple, but after it. So what did I read? Okay, so this is what I had done previously. Hash map user. See question hash map. No, that's just yeah. What did I do? Now what I did here is just way like simple. So this shows like progressing with these questions. Do string as integer, return true if it's whatever. Okay, did I submit it? I did submit it, right? So yeah, I've got a feedback, but we don't have things. That's went away. Let's see. Where's the page duplicate? It's the over here. I didn't even notice that my microphone like fell off to the side. Guys, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just went to plug in my laptop because my battery was at 37%, and now we're given two strings S and T, written to if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. Anagram T equals anagram. So was it true? A-N-A-G-R-A-N. Okay, in Python I did it by like sorting these two. That was analog N. In Java, like blend of this and this is definitely return false. That's obvious. Okay, what if the input contains Unicode characters? I always forget that some of these questions have a follow-up question as well. So what's the follow-up? There's no follow-up over here, but there's a follow-up in here. What input characters? Anagram, so maybe like sort these. Using ASCII like value for these, that's not really works. What if we continue Unicode? So what I could do is what can I even do? Convert the two strings into an array and set the elements in the first array is in the second array. Yeah, like that works. I might like the law then. I'm pretty sure you guys can't really hear like 90% of the stuff that I'm saying, but what else could I do? The only thing I could fix is like get a mic, buy a mic, wait, putting the microphones thing in my putting the microphone in my ear works. So I've got two strings S and T in the anagram. So like the way that I'm seeing it right now is using putting off these into an array and putting off these into an array as well. No, not into an array, into a hash set, and checking if each element in this hash set is in this hash set, but it will take of n O of n to O of n, and then again big O of 3n, so 1n for like putting off these into an asset, and again of these, putting off these into an asset again, and then another for like checking if there's like a element in here, if it contains isn't over here or not, like of that stuff. So it takes rough n again. That's the most straightforward solution that I can see at the moment. It's quick, but there must be some other way as well, right? With what? My solution. Did I post it? I don't. I might have posted it. So September. Yep. It's me who had posted it. So method beginner family for solution. Solution using map was the fastest. So now don't want to solve. Map to store the count frequency, the key of the map. Okay. It's the same as the like straightforward answer that I was thinking of. If you hashtag really using array. Thank you for this. This length of my string is the sorting one is amazing. The last one is with ChatGPT. I got exact same code. So okay, let's remove the most obvious thing out of the way. If s dot length is not equals to t dot length, then turn false, and the help, and just enable vim key bindings. I know that it's you can enable vim key bindings somewhere over here. Yeah, it's code editor shortcuts, code key binding vim. So s dot length, if s dot length is not equals to t dot length, then return false. Give me the fastest solution. Frequency counter. So if the average is faster than. So okay, so that for us check if all counter is 0. Oh, damn. This is just way better. If any count is, but what if input contains a, so what about this? Dealing with the Unicode such as okay, S and T are different. User has map to count the occurrence of each character in S and T, iterate through each character in S and increment its count, and the map iterate through each character in T and decrement its count in the map. Check if all values in the map are 0. If they are S, okay, has map character, and then okay, character integer count map new has map अच्छा say start to char array count map dot put c dot count map dot get default c comma 0 plus 1. Okay, for counting decrement count for characters in string T for character C dot T dot to char character array. Float count map dot contains okay, as map this is used to alright character name. Alright, hash map it is. So by using hash map, I don't really like funky bindings standard. Okay, so what can I do? As map character string map equal map equals new as map count map as map count map. So what I will do is create a count for each of the characters in S&T and iterate over the characters in it. Okay, for it's the character each in so to char array. Okay, to char array as our two character array count map dot put c comma get. Okay, so count map dot get or default get default seed each comma, so each character, if there is no default, then +1. Alright, so it just counts the character, decrement counter. If count map that contains key equals false, then return false, character not found in false. Else count map dot put c dot count map dot get c minus or if count map oh, you just remove the 0 from if man is empty. Oh, okay, that's a clever idea for c t dot to array. So if count map dot contains c equals false, then return false, and then if so count map dot put c comma count map dot get c minus 1. F count map dot get c, this is 0, then count map dot remove c. Return count map dot is empty. So if it is empty, then return true, which means it's an anagram, and if it is not empty, then it will like return false and stuff already above. Okay. Alright, so this should work. This should be few syntax errors. Yeah, start length in cannot be converted. S dot length count map, there's a lot of this. Okay, so the first error is s dot length variable length. So if I start, oh, so it's this. I get confused with syntax sometimes. So incompatible type. Okay, so what's incompatible? Wait, it's not string, it's int integer. Now it should work. Count map dot contains key. Okay, there's a few inbuilt function, yep, and it runs in 0 milliseconds as well. Whoa, why is it so slow? Okay, over here there's a fast outline. C minus. Yeah, like they're using just arrays, and I'm using collection data type, so it's slower, but it's robust. So in real life scenario, we won't ever have like, we won't always have just that. So to account for in real life scenarios, we won't always have just the what you call 26 alphabets. So we can have numbers as well, and sometimes Unicode. So to make my code robust, I'll assume that there can be as well, and there can be Unicode characters in SMT as well, and just move on from there. So if I do some yeah, I've given an array integer nums and an array integer target. Return indices of the two numbers such that they wait for that. Let me just reset the timer. Now assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same solution element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Yeah, it is just do some I know this problem. So I've so let's think it through. So let me just iterate through this array once. So I'm iterating through it. So I've got 2, that is 9, so 2 minus 9 is 7. F7 is in F7 in array, then return 2 comma okay. How to get index of an element of an array. So there might be a built-in function, so before using the hash method, I'll just check if the current element matches the target. Okay, there's no Can you come up with the algorithm that's less than of n square time complexity? Yes, I can. So that's what I'm going to do. Target equals 9. Only one valid answer exists. Okay, this is the constant. So I'll just use the one that I know has map integer and integer. So the first one is the number and second one is its index equals new map to has map over here for int num and nums. I'm doing that. I could do for and I is less than nums dot length I plus plus over here map dot put nums I comma I. So the next stuff over here so put all of this put elements as key and its indices as values in a hash map. So for int j I is less than nums dot length. I don't think you have to like use the brackets over here as it's an array. For this, so it's j dot length j plus plus so okay if nums j target minus nums j if target minus nums j. So we've got a target and the minus number and then j. So f map dot cunta contains key return it's not Python, so I can't really return easily. So it's int integer result equals new int. Is this how you like how do these declare an array? I think this is how you do it, but I'm not sure. So int numbers declare the arrays. Declare and initialize. Int number equals I guess that works. Then array result zero equals j and result 1 equals map target minus nums. Okay, so target minus nums j. So then RVS and now I'm returning result. Oh, semicolons were missing, and now what are the other errors? Array required, but map dot get expected. So what's unexpected? map.get illegal start of an expression. Everything is fine. Target minus nums. So let's give it to ChatGPT to fix. Map, however, difference. Oh. So that's why I was getting errors. You don't pass stuff using brackets in Java. Alright, things. Return a result. It says like a valid answer exists. So this line would not run for all of the test cases that were there. Okay, might not have been. What? Is it because of this? No, I cannot find the symbol, so let's dot length. A variable must not have been initialized. I don't know what that's saying, because let's losing a slice. You have a syntax issue. Oh, that's not been initialized. Okay, it was declared but was never initialized. Yeah, the error message makes perfectly sense now. Okay, so output 0. What 3 2 4? So if map dot contains key and OB operator Java $, right? And operator and or okay, bitwise and operator turns 8. Okay, so and is just a bitwise and operator. So use double and. So it's an 8 or 7 7. Oh, map dot contains and map that contains is not equals to nums j, and that so what's the error? Let's break it down into 2 lines. Map dot contains Okay, yep, it is perfectly fine, but it needs a bit of fixing. Wait, what is more faster? Wait, let's just submit it first and then ask ChatGPT about it. Yo, web page, a shit ton of people. Force. Oh wait, no, it's over here. I thought I was this big part. So what did people do over here differently? So the end has map indices. Okay, has map, and if okay, they use two college if as map dot contains stuff then returns stuff. Oh, this while putting stuff into the hash maps, they were checking if okay, difference equals that as map that contains key difference if return new int one comma hash map dot get def else hash map dot put numbers I comma I. That's clever. That's quite clever. That's a better solution than mine. Okay, so compare two codes and tell me which one is faster. Code 1, code 2 over here is and def, so def equals you should not repeat yourself. So this is already better. So diff so my bad. Okay, it runs the same. Now time for the real question. Is using a new variable does declare like initializing and stuff in the new variable takes more time, or does subtracting two variables take more time? Okay, go to code twice, once in the contains key. Code 2 is slightly alright, storing that which could be beneficial is more complex. Yep. Alright. It's non-trivial. In this case, it does not really make a difference, but if this was a bit of a complex thing, then it would have made a difference. wait, can I just do this else? Does this work? Kandinsky diff, yeah, yep, it does work, and it should be faster. Yep, it's faster. Yeah, the only thing that it changed was these two loops. Alright. So since this is completed, let's check the submissions. Time taken 7. It was in Python. I've not submitted 2 some in Java, but no, I did. I attempted it. Okay, yeah, I did submit it, but it took me. Yeah, it was the same approach. But yeah, it's kind of the same, right? So previously what I did was, okay, I did this number teaser, added all the some 1 equals not contains key second is not equal size, some 1 equals some. Alright, this portion is almost the same, except for in the new code I have added a line break, so that's something. Yeah, I've added a line break so it's more readable. Moving on to over here, it's some i's because I some second num equals target minus nums I. Okay, I've choose difference over here as well. It is a key equals it is a second num. Key is not used anywhere, so I don't know why I've used this. Second num equals 0, and here and above I've not initialized second num have I have, so over here I have into, so this is the same. And where's the difference? So here's the difference, not the slice difference, but okay, my solution remained almost exactly the same. The only thing that kind of changed was like using this enter over here to just break down this long ass if statement into 2 lines. Alright, so that were the 2 problems in Java. Now let's try to solve this in Java as well. So I've got given an array of stairs August 30. I haven't like even done it in Python, so I'll solve it in Python today because it's a medium. Of string strs group the anagrams together. You can anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. E theta and 8 nat pat. Is the follow? What? Oh, a problem was June, July. Wait, what? June, okay, June, July, August. June, July, August, September. So I solved it in about like 4 months ago. What? That's really unbelievable. This one not done. Yeah, I feel like I've wasted a lot of my time in life, like in 4 months. I can't believe I solved it first and I've been about like about 4 months ago. That's a lot of time ago, and I feel like I've just started solving the problems in Java, so that's a problem. Yeah, what can I even do? Man, that's depressing, guys. Like, I've first attempted this problem 4 months ago and I'm still not completed yet. Still have not completed the roadmap. People like complete the leetcode roadmap in like 1 month. It has taken me 4 months and I'm still not even halfway through it, and I'm revising the old problems. It's better to just revise the problems than just forget them. But man, it's a long 4 months is a long time, and for 4 months I've just been doing leetcode. That's depressing, guys. That's really depressing. I have to pump up my gain. I have to pump up that amount of time I spend on doing stuff. LeetCode is not programming. LeetCode is just passing my time and by solving random stuff. LeetCode is just a way to make myself feel better for not doing anything. So for the past a month, 2 months, 3 months, a lot of time has passed. So for the past 4 months I have not done anything. Learning Flutter can be considered an achievement, but that's the only thing that I kinda did, and now I only spent about a month or so learning Flutter. Not even a month. I've in total spent less than 30 hours on Flutter. So yeah, I have to just do stuff. Where's my channel? So there it is. So this was 3 weeks ago, August 13. Yeah, it was a long time ago. Well, I mean, I've improved my speaking skills. Previously I used to like stutter and stop in between. I do like I'm not fluent right now as well as stutter and stuff. So where did I disappear for a month? So it was about 2 months ago. So this is on June 11. So determination. Yeah. I feel like I've not been doing anything for the past 2 or 3 months. So yeah, that's really sad. If I look at my first video, was it? Oh yeah. What I wanted to do was learn Flutter, learn Unity, learn like web development and stuff, machine learning by the end of 1,000 days. Thousand days is a lot of time, and I realized that learning Flutter, Unity, web dev, machine learning, all of these, learning Flutter will take me about 1 week at max if I just focus and lock in and focus on doing Flutter for an entire week. Then I can easily learn all the basic stuff of Flutter and maybe dive into a bit advanced stuff like the backend and stuff. I've already learned about like front-end UI and stuff related to Flutter, so I only need to learn about backend and refine my front-end skills on Flutter. For Unity, I don't know what I need to do with Unity. I just use Unity to make funny games that I like to for like birthdays and stuff. For web development, I have not been doing any progress on web development so far. That's really sad, man. I just looked at the submission date, June 3. That's September. So that's really far, man. That's far. Wait, let me just open my calendar. Be right back. I've got personal stuff over here, so I can't show it on stream, but I'll do. Okay, so one. Was in June. So I've been, let's say June 1. So I've been doing this stuff since June 1. Okay. So I've been like coding and stuff since June 1. That's a long time. So June, July, August. I completely wasted June, wasted August. That's a bit of a I completely wasted June, July, and August. Now it's time for September. In 3 months, I've not achieved anything significant. The only thing I've achieved is just being mediocrely consistent with leetcode, and I made it with an app and little stuff. I registered for a hackathon as well, but yeah, that's really depressing. I need to like focus on my career, lock in, do stuff. I want to get a PhD in like the next 5 or 6 years, but that's not possible, is it? Because I'm just doing undergrad and I will finish my undergrad in about 2 years, and if like everything works out and everything's and I like create a plan to do stuff, I might be able to like finish my undergrad in 2 years, and after that maybe for 4 years for PhD. I don't know, or maybe I might need to do 2 years masters as well and then apply for PhD. So 2 to 4, 8 years. Damn, that's far. 8 years is a holy shit. 8 years is a really long time. By then I would be in my late 20s and approaching my 30s. That's a really long time. Yeah, so I have to step it up. I'm thinking of what can I do to fix everything. So the best case scenario that I have in my mind is, so this is probably no, this is possible. I'll not say it's not possible, because if I say it myself, then it's just not possible. That's the end. So I'll say that it's possible. It's I can do it. Okay, so be positive. So let me tell you guys the best case scenario, which is definitely possible, even though I'm like putting myself into an illusion. I feel like if I like just say that it's possible, it will become possible. So let me tell you guys what is the best case scenario for me. So what I will do is finish my undergrad in 2 years, and for the 2 years I will prepare for theory or something to apply for not masters, for PhD in USA. I'll ask a lot of professors in US university if they will allow for PhD to a undergrad student or not, and stuff like that. I have to like reach out to the professors that I will do. I'll have to find out if I'm allowed to just study my PhD or not, and the most difficult part would be like studying for PhD while earning money and on the side. So I'll learn app development and backend of React, backend of web development, front end, and side by side I will have to read AI articles and stuff to get better at researching stuff. So for machine learning, there's a lot of things I need to do, because in 8 years time what will happen is the job for front-end developer will disappear. There's there will be an insane competition for full stack developers, which will also disappear soon after, which might disappear because doing the backend work is not as simple as like making UIs. Connecting backend and frontend is a difficult job, so backend developers still have quite a bit of time left, or maybe they won't ever be fired, but yeah, I don't know. So I need to learn about machine learning stuff. Don't get me wrong, like I do love coding and stuff. You like working with machine learning, using like making apps for myself, making games. I love doing all of those stuff, but at the end of the day I need to get food on my plate. So yeah, I need to just grind, do stuff that will make money. Yeah. So no more wasting time. I'll promise you guys that I will. So what I'm going to do is for tomorrow, guys. So most of my day is wasted on just scrolling through YouTube and Instagram reels. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is probably okay. So let me promise guys this. So for a week, 1 week, I'll put my mobile on ultra battery saver mode, which must be a bit difficult, but no. Okay, I'll for a week I'll put my mobile on ultra battery saver mode. So what the ultra battery saver mode does is it just restricts everything except for like phone calls and one or two apps that I'll allow for it. So for 1 week I'll not touch my phone, and to do everything I'll just use my laptop. So that will just keep me off my phone, which is a big time waster for me. Another thing that I will do is if I sleep right now, then when I wake up at 4 a.m. that would be exactly 6 hours. So another thing that I'll promise you guys is I'll always sleep at 10 and wake up at 4. Or I can't know if I would be able to. No, I won't say that I won't be able to do it. So I will be able to do it. So I will wake up at 4 a.m. and sleep at 10. So it will be 6 hours of quality night time. So it's a good of time, good amount of sleep. So after 6 hours sleep, I'll always code from 4:05 or 10 till 5:30. So about an hour and a half for coding, leetcode. So the first an hour or so would be for my leetcode stuff. So after that, from 5:30 to 6, maybe it would be my personal time to do like cleaning and house cleaning and stuff. So I'll just clean my house and stuff. So that would be and 30 hours. And what else can I do? So guys, that's so this is me promising what I will be doing for the next 7 days. Yeah. So like speaking like myself to you guys and planning my what I'm going to do is to ensure that I follow through what I'm saying. So if I don't follow through, you guys can like hold me accountable and stuff. So you guys just can just give me punishment and stuff for like not following through, but I will follow through. So yeah, let me just put it on my calendar as well. So calendar, let me just change to account, and which it's okay. Okay, so hi guys, so this this is my calendar. So tomorrow is September 8. I will sleep from 12 to 6. Sleep. Not 6, it's like 4. But this time I'll just leetcode event instead of daily. So leetcode repeats 30 hours. Cleaning, this is going to repeat as well. What's the registration airline for? Okay, alright. And then from 6 to 7 I'll clean up, wash up. So this is the time for showers and stuff. So wash up, and then for 6:30 to. So at this time I will record progress with from 8 to 9. Finish. Finish like stuff that's finish to do tasks. So an hour to do stuff that I could not do. It repeats steely, and this also does repeat daily. I sleep daily, and from sleep it repeats daily. Alright, so but yeah, I've created a calendar, so I'm going to follow through all of this. I'll do all of the stuff I've written over here every day, since I do it in the morning. Since I'll be doing all of this in the morning, so I'll have all of my day free to do stuff. There isn't a lot of difficult tasks. I just need to do leetcode, so which I've been doing daily, so it's really easy to do leetcode. And for recording a progress video, that's easy as well, right? I'll just record me and myself doing stuff, but wash up and to do tasks. I do have to get a haircut tomorrow, so from 7 to 8 I'll put over here haircut. So that's something. I just change the color from have a haircut at 7. So this is my, so for a week I have to just eat at, also I have to go to the hospital at 8, so eat at 7, so hospital, so hospital, and then eat. Okay, so Monday I have to kind of move up the recording a progress video by a bit, so leetcode at 3:30, okay, so leetcode at 2:30 to 4 a.m. record a progress video, clean up, wash up, hospital, eat. Alright, change it to lavender. What about rest of the day? So this is the time for lunch. So this is steely. So I've got 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 17 hours of free time, and 16 hours if I exclude this dinner. So this is daily, so and then I've got breakfast as well. So breakfast, I've got 15 hours of free time to do anything that I want to do. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 8, and then oh wait, it's 10. 1 2 3 4 4 hours, 1 2 3 4 4 hours, and then that's not bad, that's great. So by the time I'm done eating breakfast, I would have already done a leetcode problem, solved a leetcode problem, and recorded a progress video. So that would be 3 hours of kind of productive work. I could record a progress video in about 30 minutes, but yeah, anything to do tasks. Maybe I could planning. So I'll use time for planning stuff. Alright. for the rest of the day. What could I do? I've got the entire week planned out. Almost I have to just fill in these 10 hours. I'm completely busy on Monday, so I can't like really do something on Monday, so I have to look at Sunday and other days. Even though like I've allocated an hour to just plan the day, I won't follow through if I've not really liked. I've done stuff overhead. Man, what can I do to fill that entire day? I've got an event on 14, so that's filled up. So I've got I have to go to the hospital at 9th, so that's filled up as well. So I've got 5 days. So what about Sunday? Wake up, get a haircut, this event is washing up, caught up progress video, haircut, wash up. Okay, now that checks out. I'll sleep 2 hours on Sunday to see time for Monday. One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 6. I still have 8 hours. I will I can do React. I can complete my tic-tac-toe React project. So React tic-tac-toe. So 4 hours to create a tic-tac-toe game. And 2 hours university profs. Okay, US university professors. for the rest 2 hours. What will I do for the next 2 hours? Maybe sleep. Sleeping is productive, right? I'll be doing 4 hours of React to 1 hour of leetcode. That's not enough. Maybe Flutter. I don't know. I'll have 2 hours of free time over here to catch up with friends and family. Yeah, I have 2 hours for like friends and family, which is great. Yeah. Hospital bus. One, two, three, four. One. Okay, so I eat food at the interval of 4 hours. So 6 hours of 24. One, two, three. Maybe I should be eating from like 4 to 5 as well. I do eat a lot of stuff at 5:30. Okay. Alright guys, I've planned out what I need to do for tomorrow, so I'll promise you guys. So yeah, promise to have phone on. I'll grab battery saver mode for a week. So I promise to have alright, so I promise to have for a week. I finish this. Academia, I have to do this, make it clear for me. Whatever, I have not done any of these. I have to look for the internship as well. I have to do a lot of stuff. So yeah guys, that was it for today. It's 10 p.m. I'll head to bed since it's the first day. I don't think I will be able to sleep immediately because I've been staying up late for like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. for the past few days, couple of days for playing Valorant and stuff. So my sleep schedule is just the worst. So I'll just go to bed 5 minutes early and try to fall asleep in that certain amount of time, and hopefully wake up at 4 a.m. tomorrow. Alright, see you guys tomorrow at 4 a.m. and that's it from me for today.